that I finally got my crossbow back. I've been shooting it. I had an incident today. Well, 2 incidents, I guess. 2 arrows. I was shooting from up there at the top of the driveway down to right here. Now, this is my bag I use. It needs to be replaced badly. I mean, it's dead. I done killed it many times. But excuse me, I'm trying to get over a head cold. I had it right in here. Yeah, right in here, where I had it, and I tried from all the way up there, and I couldn't figure out where it was hitting the dirt up there. So I figured, okay, it's got to be somewhere in between there and that hill. No. Excuse me, I got to go in the neighbor's yard. They don't mind. I done got the metal detector, my boyfriend's metal detector back out, put batteries in it, which I had to go buy because batteries in there were like from 2009. And I was searching through there, and I happened to look up, and my arrow with the dull tip, just the practice tip, was stuck in the freaking tree. That was the one with, nothing. And the other one went way over there, which I don't even know. I don't know. The back end of that one is gone, but it went way over there where that cedar is. And I got both my arrows back. Well, got rid of the BMW today, so I'll either be driving the truck or the Jeep. So it's kind of bittersweet that it's gone. I was grateful to have a new car, low payments, but it being gone, I don't have to keep it sparkly clean. My truck, I don't have to keep it sparkly clean, and I don't have to make payments on it. So, my wings trying to fly away. They're my devil horns, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I feel bittersweet about it. And I do want to thank my mom for at least, helping me that much. But also getting a new house here soon, so things are going good. Also, I need to get a new hat. I've had this hat for about 5-6 years, and after washing it, it's finally just said no. So, also made a video. Check it out. It's the end of summer. Things will start to change. As fall begins, days get shorter and leaves change color. It also is time of death and decay, though most don't try to see it that way. They see the beauty, while I see both sides. The leaves change color for me too. They're just blood red. Come get